Good morning. Welcome back, everybody. It's a brand new week. Don't you love Mondays? Let's get it. So, just a brief overview here. This is what I've sent to the Discord groups for the week. Alright, so we've had those fundamental confirmations from the Bank of Japan last week, leading us to hop back into the bullish sentiment and start correcting this downside move from December. So if you see this move down here in December, that came from the interest rates and Bank of Japan monetary policy statement. Okay, so after this nice liquidity grab early in the year, retesting key demand area 156 and those fundamental confirmations, we are looking to start to correct this move. Very clean traffic here. We've got about 500 pips to move back up to 167. So I believe we'll slowly start working our way back up to those levels. If you have a look at the breakdowns I sent right at the beginning of the year, here we go, January. GJ. Look at this breakdown on GJ. Look familiar? Nah, chat, just look at that. So anyway, I think we're looking pretty good here for buys today. We are working our way up to this resistance area here. So we'll have to scale in to the lower time frames and start to look for some trade ideas. So from the ideas that I sent last night, I was looking for buys above 161.300. Right there, if we could get closures above, I'm happy to be taking buys. To the left, we've got this resistance at 161.675. So just an area to be aware of. And then some targets here, 162.300. You can see here on the hourly, okay, this range above 161.670 is about 60 pips of clean traffic to this high here. If we can break that high, just look at all this traffic to the left here. Got about 250 pips of just nothing. $200 to 250 pips with potential to even continue all the way up to these highs before the December Bank of Japan interest rates. So any buys being taken throughout this week, I will look to be having runners. And then obviously if we get a break and retest of this area here, then we also in for some solid buys there. Mute. How long have I been muted? Okay, I don't know how long I was muted, but I was just saying that here on gold, the previous 4 hour looked pretty good to possibly continue moving up. You can see the support formed at this previous resistance area. Price action on the 4 hour looked good there to push on up. But as planned, we are expecting to see lower volume and volatility this week as we lead up to FOMC next week, Wednesday. So looking to take it easy this week on gold. And if we see us breaking back into this range below 1924, I'll just be taking it slow. Not really interested in sells just yet. I'd rather take sells below 1893. I know that's like 300 pips away, but there's nothing there for me really. Breaks below this support right here, we could see this traffic to the left here mirrored, but that's just purely technical. I'm not really, I want some fundamental confirmations here. At the moment, I think we're gonna have lower volume this week until possibly we get, we've got some PMI tomorrow, GDP on Thursday, and core PCE price index on Friday. DXY, we already had quite a nice push down here earlier in the day, forming support now. So for me, my focus will be on GJ. Alright, so we want to keep an eye on this. As long as Garuda is still the Bank of Japan governor, we're looking to play this bullish sentiment here on GJ. If they get someone new in who might bring a new monetary policy, then we could see a shift out of this sentiment. But for now, as long as Garuda's in place, we're looking for those bars on GJ. Even if we do get a new Bank of Japan governor, you would need to see them bring that new monetary policy and shift out of that loose monetary policy to a tighter monetary policy. Jared, do you want to play some chess? Or does anyone in chat want to play some chess? I think we're gonna have to wait a while here for some trades today. Yeah, let's do it. I just need to make a move here quick.
Hey.
What's up?
Have you started playing anybody? Or can I jump in?
Hectorino said they're gonna hop in, but I didn't get an invite here. I'm waiting.
Should I invite you so long? Or
Let me play them quick and then. What the fuck?
okay.
Nah, how did you get your rating so high?
Me?
No. Hectorino.
So what I did was it signed me out on my phone, right? So I went to go sign in and I couldn't remember the password for it. So I was like, man, that fucking sucks. So then I went and created another account on my phone. Now my rating's so much higher because I didn't have to go through that learning phase and drop to an ELO of 100.
Oh. So what are you on now?
Saying? So on my phone, I'm on about shit. Oh, where's my cell? Oh shit, here it is. Let me tell you.
Hectorino, what's going on here?
I'm 696.
That's not bad, eh? I'm
Yeah,
648. What the fuck?
Yeah, dude.
I'm gonna have to.
Me being like 300.
I'll have to restart my account.
Yeah, dude. I think it's only fair, dude, because yeah, dude, I can't be playing this from 100 again. You know what I mean?
Okay, let's play, Jared.
Will you send me an invite?
Yeah.
If you had an 80k live account, how much would you risk on GJ on a single trade? I would say go for a percentage of the account, so maybe 1.5%. Work that out, and then you obviously work out how big your stop loss is going to be and take it from there. But definitely 1%.
Surely, if you had an 80k account, you wouldn't be asking that question. But luck, yeah, 1%, $800, 800 to 1.6. Jared,
Yes.
suck, man.
I'm starting with my shenanigans again. And no stress, man. Yeah, just go based off of the percent. I mean, don't worry too much about how big your stop loss is going to be, because some setups are gonna, be like a 10 pip stop. Others are gonna be a 37 pip stop. So it's just all based off of that, and you can take it from there. Used 8 cap, but the brokers that we do recommend is either going to be Dominion Markets or Blueberry Markets. Oh shucks, wasn't looking. But anyway, so yeah, I would definitely say Blueberry Markets or Dominion Markets. Open my phone and PC. Good there.
Yeah.
You got me good there.
See you up to something, yeah.
Yeah. And I was gonna fork you.
Fuck you, Jared.
Fuck you, brother. Are you in a GJ trade? We're currently not. We are waiting for closure above that resistance. Hey, Yama, how goes it, brother?
What's up, everybody?
You're
Morning,
just training your
monsters.
brain. No! I slipped!
It's not that straightforward. I can't take, because you can take me anyway.
Dude. Oh. Are we gonna... Why did you not take my queen?
Because you could take mine. I didn't really want to trade.
Oh, well, that sucked. Yeah, time to focus. Stockfish is down this morning.
Is it? That explains a lot.
Yeah, I don't know why. Usually it's up all the time.
Since you started your stream, I've been trying to figure out why my laptop's not working. Oh, my lord, I finally got it to work.
Oh,
Yes.
What is it? Discord fucking out.
YouTube, bro. I couldn't get YouTube to play. Everything was working. All my tabs are running. Everything was working fine. Like YouTube, for some stupid fucking reason. I was getting mad, dude. Oh, and it was because my laptop did like a system up, I don't know, like a system update. It restarted. It signed me out of YouTube, so I had to sign back in to get it to work. Anyway, Jared, you seen your ass?
Kind of. He's up 2 pieces of material, 2 points of material.
No, what clothes are you waiting for through GJ? 30 minutes or 15 minutes?
Oh,
No, I was speaking about you, Jared, about chess, but then I was speaking now, so you did answer the last question.
London Open, dude.
London Open.
Yeah, I would like to just wait for London Open.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna read a book.
no, not a bad shot, eh? Reese is asking gold sols below 1923.
Nah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a tough one.
I was saying that, yeah, if we break out of this range, we could see a push down here. There's plenty of range, but you're jumping back into this previous range, taking sells against the higher time frame trend. I would just wait. It's a Monday. I'm not in a rush to hop into a trade yet. GJ is setting up really nicely, and we've got a lot more clear direction. I would rather just wait for GJ to set up and stick with GJ. Otherwise, gold bars above 1935.
Gold's also got some nasty little like left candles that are wicking down and just being funny. I don't think you'll be certain where to get in when it breaks those lows. It will be like uncertain, and you might get in early and just get it's like a little fake out. Hey, but Con, are you legitimately waiting for it to open?
Yep.
Then I'm really gonna read. What? On the days like this, we're gonna sit in silence, mute each other, and just sit on the call with our faces reading book. Okay, no problem.
This is a high intensity chess match here.
Yeah.
Imagine how intense reading book.
I'm down on time as well. Fuck's sakes.
Yeah.
Nah. Listen. What's that thing's name that's so good in chess? The actual like the pro player. Magnus. What?
Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Magnus.
How?
What do you mean how?
Is that like from a child that you learn to play like that?
I think so, but I also think he's just fucking gifted. You know what I mean?
It must be a talent for chess or like not chess itself. I think for seeing the formation of something that's on a board type of thing.
Yeah.
Because fuck my life, bro. I saw that guy. I've seen so many things now recently because I was mind blown. That mind blows me more. Yes. How do you win chess in 30 seconds against a pro?
Oh. No, he's ridiculous, dude.
How do you win 3 games blindfolded? I think he just has a lot of access to his mind when it comes to chess, dude. Is he rich, eh? Does chess make you rich?
No.
He's balling, eh? Dude, he's balling, bro.
Really?
Not balling from chess.
Sure, dude, he's balling, dude.
From chess?
He obviously wins prize money, and then he's also got
sponsors and shit. Obviously.
Yeah, he's got a ton of sponsors. So that also helps him out a lot.
That's it.
And do something risky, yeah. So he's also got his own chess app. He's got merch. He's got a ton of like revenue streams, dude. So he's done very well. like taking something that doesn't pay well and turning it into like a proper ass business. You know what I mean?
A lot of businesses don't pay well, but a lot of shit that people do don't pay well. There's just been one character that's made it bigger than what it is. MMA, Conor McGregor,
Conor
boxing, Mark Tyson, Floyd Mayweather. Same concept, chess, that's him. I mean, Khabib's no one, bro. Khabib doesn't even exist. We wouldn't have known about Khabib if Conor didn't fight him. Simple.
I knew about him. I knew about him before. I religiously watched that guy's stuff
My friend,
before.
you probably just knew that this is probably a good fighter that can maul people on the floor. He's a good wrestler. That's all you knew. You never knew he was going to be a champion. You never knew he was going to compete.
Of course I knew, dude.
You didn't know that. I'm telling you now, you did.
Khabib's like my dad, bro. I love that guy more than anybody.
What's that other fucking gangster thing that we like, Connor?
Another gangster thing we like, Connor.
Maya.
Damian Maya.
What's his name?
Diaz.
Maya.
Oh, Chimaev.
Oh, Kamza Chimaev.
Hamza Jamaya, bro. Look at that thing. You don't know who that guy is. You
I do
barely
know.
know. I'm not. Jesus. Jared. Shake your head so your ears smack you awake, please. Because I'm not saying you. I'm speaking about in general.
Oh, in general. Okay, I get you.
So you don't know who he is. And then you see him fight and now you see he's good. No, oh, this guy might be a competitor at the top. That's how it works now. Before you saw a guy that's not good. Oh, this guy would never make it. Oh, this guy would never make it.
Yeah.
That's just because they like built it like that. You see what happened to Dana? No? Did you see Dana? He smacked his wife.
Yeah.
I saw that.
Looks, you know what I found out? Wait, who was from Australia? Was it? No, it wasn't Reese. It was Tariq, eh? And there was someone else from Australia. Bro, have you seen how crazy these oaks, the steroids they take in Australia must make them fucking cooked or something? Have you seen how many fights there are of these big chaps mooring each other in Australia, my friend? Yes, sis. At the airport, in public, anywhere, like, these oaks are just fighting each other because it's like gang shit, but they're not, don't look like gangsters, they just look like oaks that do bodybuilding, but they're all fighting one another. It's fucking weird, bro. I was watching so many videos on it.
Yo, dude, I checked the power slap competition, bro. I'm really not a fan of it.
Oh, Dana started his own one. Bro, you're a fan of it?
I really don't like it, dude.
It's boring as fuck, dude. You're just slapping each other. Like, listen, no. I'm giving enough in my lifetime, it's fine. I don't need to watch it. No, don't look so stressed, man. You'll be fine with the chess game. It is funny, bro. When some of them buckle from the club. Yes, it makes me laugh. I have to say, those oaks are. Hey, but those oaks have got some kahunas on them to go stand there.
Oh, no, I wouldn't do it. Hey, Chase Smith is back, bro.
What gold sold below 1926.46. 96 pips. Nice profit. Well done, Jay Smith. That's the way she started.
Yes, Jared just locked this position down, dude. Can't
Dude,
fuck
I
with
had
it.
to. I had to, bro. I need to do a pawn run now.
There is a play that you can do, Con, but obviously I cannot. And there is something I learned from chess, my friend, that I cannot wait to do to one of you and have your mind absolutely fucked. It's one move. It's not like beating you in the game. It's just one move. That's
Is
all.
it rook to g7?
Obviously.
Rook to G7.
This is...
Wait, what's that from now? What happened? What did I miss?
Levy's chess.
Yeah.
Levy chess.
Gotham chess.
God, yo, that guy's an OG, bro. The one thing I find frustrating about watching
Who's
chess
that Chinese
matches,
guy? Those chess.
Hikaru.
I don't know, bro. That he's like 20 moves ahead. And then
Yeah,
the boost
Hikaru.
goes that way, bro. That's fucking mental too. It's just muscle
One
memory, bro.
minute,
That's all it
bro.
is.
1 fucking minute. Oh no. Jared.
No. You
Time
can't do
crunch.
that, Connor.
So, that's not it. Now Connor's open table to eat your pawns.
Yeah, dude. I have to be clever, yeah.
That wasn't smart there. Should have charged it, Connor. He couldn't have gotten anywhere else with it. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Okay.
Fuck, Jared! Your mother.
Who's white and who's black?
I'm black.
No, I'm white.
No, you fucked up hard there. There was something else you could have done. You didn't see it. Done like it. No, you got bored. Yes.
There's no bracket. Oh fuck. Shit.
Good. Yo, now Connor has a chance again. Jared, you fucked up.
No, he doesn't, dude.
Yeah, I don't.
We'll see.
Whatever his move, I got him eaten. I think we're gonna draw this one.
Yeah, I'll
Do you
fuck
wanna,
like a
let's
million.
agree to a draw, Jared.
Okay.
Fuck losing on time.
You can win him on time.
This would be a draw.
You can win
you
him
know
on
it would
time,
be.
Jared. Oh, Jared, drag it, Jared. Drag
Oh,
it.
I think
Make
he's
it
actually
point.
got
Yes,
good points,
sir.
eh?
Yeah, you better do it now because now you've got a queen back on.
I'm
So.
gonna grab him on time, eh? Wait, no, okay. I'm gonna be dope.
Start eating pawns,
Okay,
Connor.
draw.
Just start going crazy on pawns, bro.
Okay, Jared, well done. Good game.
Wait. Yo,
Jared
that was a
ran
lot of
quickly.
fun.
You saw that queen pop up, Connor. Did you see how quickly he was like, okay, fair enough.
No, I could have played him out because it's difficult to finish with just a queen on the board, but
No, bro. Connor's
So-
like Magnus. I would have been ching, 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 ching. There, pawns gone.
No,
just
it would have been tricky. It would have been tricky, and I didn't have time. I had like 20
Yeah.
seconds left.
so let's just rather take a draw. But I messed up with that rook.
And play a whole game. You can do it in 20 seconds.
No,
Not me.
dude. Magnus
Um,
is something else. But
Sheesh, hourly. 4 hour actually, sorry. 4 hour candle closed above here. So looking at this 4 hour, I would expect us to fill this wick for the rest of this range. But yeah, this resistance right here at 161,330. I definitely want to be careful at that level, not buying right at that level. So I'm just waiting, being patient. London Open sometimes can bring a bit of a pullback. So there's still plenty of opportunities. How do I trade? I don't know, bro. No idea. Gold. Looks like it's breaking that support. Also understand that this could be an area where we just see a fake out. Break back into the range and then continue up. If you're taking sells here, just be cautious and manage your risk aggressively.
Connor.
Yeah.
I know we get bias or higher time frame, man. And then I just want to ask, so if your next week starts, do you still go from the previous week's bias and you just carry on every week with that where it ends on the previous week and so on?
It depends on the sentiment. So if you just zoom out here on gold, for instance. Ever since that improved CPI, we've had the same sentiment, and it's been pretty easy to play along with the gold buys. So yeah, week to week, obviously if the sentiment doesn't change, then you're just sticking with the same
Like I
buys.
said, you stick with the same one. Okay, cool. So it's not based off the new week.
No.
You base it off it's carrying on the next day. Just there's a weekend in between it. That's it.
Yeah, I mean, there's a whole lot of factors. You're looking at how the weekly candle closes, sometimes daily. You know, you're looking at candles, the trends, fundamentals, the sentiment. It's a whole lot of factors to get that overall image of the market. So it's not like one or two things that it's based on. It's a whole host of things that lead into this overall image of the market. You get what I mean?
Yeah, no, I feel. What's DJ doing? Reese says Jesus looking nice.
GJ's looking very good. I'm going to go and make some coffee. And yeah, I'll see you guys shortly. Jared, Nico, do you guys want to hop on Zoom?
Well, this is what I want to ask you. Are you sure you're only taking a trade at 10 at London Open?
Probably, yeah.
I want to know if I can go get done so that I'm finished for when I need to leave for COVID.
Yeah, go get done.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be back then, Norman.
Okay, cool. Cheers.
Oh yeah, sorry about that, I'm back. Hello!
I was literally about to walk out and I heard someone or something come pop up here. I'm gonna to go make coffee and I'm gonna go get done so that I'm finished when I need to leave for Kobe. So then I'm gonna come back.
Cheers.
We're not gonna take it now.
Yeah, I get you.
Do you have any idea why we're waiting for London and not getting involved at now?
It's just a little tough at the moment. We want that like extra confidence.
So you want that? You want the closure through the pullback for the week and then the continuation type of thing?
We sort of just want London to open so that we have the volume above that level because it's been quite a strong.
Why are we being careful?
Yeah,
is there news?
No,
are we being careful?
There's no news today. No, there's no news today, but we just want that extra confidence today.
Not today. I mean, this week is the FOMC or something coming up?
No, this week's pretty chilled, but I think there is some sort of news event. We had a look yesterday. Let me just have a look again.
I'm also looking up.
There is something strong. I think it's the
GDP, isn't it?
GDP. Yes, GDP. That was the big one this week. GDP initial jobless claims are going to be the big ones, but there's also something to do with the yen that we had to look at.
Yeah, the BOJ thing.
Yeah, but today there's literally no news. It's a holiday all over. It's like the Chinese New Year.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be very slow.
Okay, no, shoot, then let me go get done. I'll be back in a bit.
Okay. Jojo's World, what we do is in the afternoons we're having live Zoom calls with all of basically a private group. So you join the Discord and then I'm gonna send a link this afternoon to the Discord, and then we have a like private session, a little bit more intimate than YouTube. So you can go and join that this afternoon.
Who are we getting intimate with?
I'm I'm telling him about the Zoom calls. And you came back at the wrong time there. Yeah, he's saying he would love to be on Zoom with us.
Who's this?
JoJo's World.
Oh yeah, it's open to you guys. Until the
Yeah.
1st of Feb, it will be for members only.
Yeah, so from the 1st of Feb, it's going to be a members only thing. But for right now, whenever, whoever can jump on. So
Reese, don't rush. Don't rush.
but gold.
Yeah, don't rush anything. One thing I want to actually explain to you guys why I'm not looking to take anything before London Open here on GJ. So firstly, gold, to me, there's no trades here just yet. With GJ, we look good, we're moving up, we've got momentum. The reason I want to wait for London Open is just in the beginning of this year, I've taken a couple trades on GJ pre-London when there's been volume, right? There's been volume in the previous candles, and then we get into a trade and volume dies out an hour before London Open, and that trade ends up going against us and then later goes on in our favor. So this is just a more strategic, just a bit of strategic planning and, you know, acting on what we've seen time and time again. And if we push up now and I miss the move before London Open and I don't even get a trade, that's fine. This was 1 day out of 20. And then I'll take note of this and I'll watch it play out for a couple more weeks until I've got a bit more confidence in taking trades pre-London on GJ. But for now, from what I've been seeing, like I say, we get into a position pre-London, hour before open, volume dies down, and then it's just not worth it. So I would rather see us, you know, setting up at London Open, get some positions, we in and out. So if I have to wait 2 hours for that position, that's fine. I know there's going to be plenty of opportunities to be buying GJ over the next couple weeks. So there's absolutely no rush. It's a Monday. So just to give you guys some insight into why I'm waiting, and you can take that idea and implement that in your own trading. You know, when there's something you see that you want to execute on, but you know, sometimes you get clapped, you know, just step back and watch those scenarios playing out.
Yeah, forward test it.
Yeah, so for today, just watching this play out. We could get trades at London Open, but for now, just doing a bit of studying. Yeah, Jared?
Oh, and then Mr. Banks is saying how much for the Zoom. So for the next 8 days, the Zoom is going to be completely free, and you guys can get the link on the Discord, on the free Discord that we have. So I'll send a message closer to the time when we're going to go live. It's going to be around 2:30 to 2:45, and I'll say preparing for the Zoom session. We'll send the link closer to the time, and then I'll send the link and tag everyone, so you should get a message about that. And then yeah, we obviously gonna go on for New York and yeah, walk you guys through our trading, and then you guys can ask more questions because it is intimate and you guys will have the ability to speak instead of just listening. And then from the 1st of Feb, it is going to be a paid membership. All the details are on our Instagram. We've made posts about that, so if you want to go check that out.
Forward test. Oh, what's so funny about that, bro?
Just put forward testing can be frustrating. Eh?
But it's a seriously good practice of patience and discipline. If you tell yourself, okay,
Yeah.
I'm waiting for something very specific, if I don't see that, then I won't take any trades. Sometimes you're going to miss the move when you're doing that. But that's better because you're setting yourself up for better habits in the long run.
But I must admit, dude, I'm kind of shocked at chess, eh?
Jared, I don't want to talk to you about chess anymore.
Yeah, see. That's the best game ever, dude.
You never know, dude. Imagine you started when you were like 5. You could've-
Myself.
Yeah.
Just 2 weeks ago, I was like, bro, where can I move the horsey? Maybe I was just playing dumb, you know, undercover.
Probably.
Oh, that was a frustrating game to learn, eh? It's like forward testing.
Forward tested your chess, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, it can be frustrating. 30-minute candle closed above here. So, you know, these are basically, let's say buy stops on the previous 30-minute highs here. You know, I may have potentially got triggered in. So we would be sitting in drawdown at the moment.
Yeah.
So this is exactly why I'm waiting. And I'm not saying that we can't continue to push up, but I'd rather just wait for that volume to really kick in. We've already had quite a clean move up so far today. So London Open could even bring some pullbacks before continuing up. Taking a gold sell, that's perfectly fine.
When you guys are good at chess and start getting bored of it, you should try shogi. I have no idea what that is.
Shogi, I've never heard of it.
I want to play Niku soon and see if I can catch him in that trap I got you the other day.
Yeah, I don't think he was here when he did it, so I don't think he's aware of it. Yeah, you should do it. But we need it on stream.
Yeah, yes. He said he's just getting ready and stuff because he needs to do something.
Yeah.
So, yeah, then maybe when he's back, I'll ask him and see if I can catch him with it.
I think if I was good at chess, I wouldn't get bored of it, to be honest.
Yeah.
If I get bored of it, it's because I'm shit.
But I think, bro, you must definitely delete your account and start again, dude. Because I really think I'm higher rated than 300, dude. Like, you know,
Yeah,
I'm not saying
yeah.
like I'm a 800, 1200, but it took me so long to get, like, I went to 100 and I kept losing games. And I just stuck there until I started winning. And then it took me so long just to get to 200, 300.
No, you'll take ages to get back up to like 600. So you say you're about 600
Yeah.
now.
I think so. I think
Yeah.
about 600 is where I'm at.
Yeah, I think my one game with Kaylin, when she had just started her account and I was on like 1,900 or 1,000.
Yeah.
And then it brought my rating all the way down to like 500, 600, somewhere around there.
Gee, that's rough, eh?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm basically chess with more pieces, war tactics, very fun. Okay, that looks like it.
Yeah, that sounds cool.
One game that I played for like majority of my life there was Clash of Clans.
Oh, nah.
Yes.
I could never get into it. Guys were playing that in
Yeah.
class and I just couldn't.
Oh, no, I did. But I don't have it anymore. I deleted it like a couple months ago. But yo, I was hectic into that game. Yeah, Jay Smith, when the market doesn't present, we fill the gaps. I also think to a lot of people that are looking on the gold sales below 1923, I'd just be cautious about the wick to the left there.
Yeah, I was thinking if I were to take gold sales, I'd probably have sell stops on that wick there, current candle stops. But I'm more concerned of like a fake out of this level, break back in, then we get that push up.
Yeah.
Looking at DXY, you know, we're quite bearish here. So if you selling gold, you're buying the dollar, but if we look at DXY, we can see that the dollar is bearish. I know that we just use this as a confluence, but I'm just saying. It's just it's aggressive. It's an aggressive entry. Counter trend. I think last year I took a lot of those trades earlier on in the year and had a lot of success with them. But obviously over the last 6 months or so, I'm finding what really, really works for me and buckling down on those kind of trades. So to me, this would be, I don't do the thing where I rate my setups, but I probably should, where you say you have like your A setup, your B setup, your C setup. To me, this would be like a C setup, low probability. I wouldn't take it. Obviously, that's personal preference. Maybe for you, this is your A. I don't know. Since you trade GJ, do you ever check JXY? Yeah, from time to time. The last time I looked at it was for the news last week. I don't know if this is the right one.
Apparently, what that guy says, what Daoki says is successful for the day. Successful for today. That's the translation.
Ah, brother, I love successful for the day.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't think, I didn't want to read it in case it meant something else, and then,
Yeah, I feel.
you know what I mean? Yeah.
Am I in GJ? No. So when I say bars above here, I'm waiting for the closure. I know we got that closure in 30 minutes, but I've discussed I'm waiting for London Open. I know you guys are going to be confused now. You see the move pushing up, but like I said, I don't mind missing the move, waiting for something that I'm more comfortable with.
Something that you also said is there's going to be tons of opportunities for GJ's buys this week. So
Yeah. Yeah, we'll be buying GJ all week long, so no need to rush here. So yeah, here was some GJ buys pre-London. Got smacked, had to manage risk. GJ bar pre-London. L. So like I say, just being a little bit more patient. Because most of these trades ended up playing out at London Open anyway. Did you guys see the analysis last week? This was beautiful. Friday morning, 9 o'clock, we had bad news for the pound. I said, okay, this could give us some pullback, setting up for better buys. Looking at this area here to form support and then move on up. Unfortunately, we were focused on gold at that moment in time, but just, yeah, beautiful analysis.
Somebody's asking, so any and every setup before London Open is invalid until forward testing is done.
Obviously, that's a personal thing. You're watching me trading live, and this is what I'm doing for my own trading to benefit myself, to develop good habits for myself. If you executed on this trade and you're happy to do so, then obviously that's perfectly fine. Like I said, just from what I've seen throughout Jan so far, I would rather wait for London Open. And if I miss the move, that's fine. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's invalid. Technically speaking, this was a very sound trade. You also had confluences to take the position. Just for me, I wanted to be aware of the timing and wait a little bit longer.
And somebody's asking, they just discovered the channel now. Do you trade NFP or do you strictly avoid fundamentals?
We love fundamentals. Go back and look at the previous live streams. You'll see last week we traded the Japanese yen news. And then if you go back and watch any FOMC stream, I guarantee you'll be back.
We just don't buy stop and sell stop on fundamentals. We have a look at what the fundamentals is forecasting, then we wait for confirmations and confidence on our trades and take it from there. But we don't just stream and be like, oh guys, 3:30, I stop here, sell stop here, let's just see what happens. That's not the way we did.
Yeah, it's very calculated, and we're also looking at how the numbers came out to actually get an idea of which direction price will move. So if we look at our record for news streams must be like 90%.
Jeez, we've been smacking news, eh?
I was thinking I could like get away with just trading news, to be honest. And Monday to Friday is just a waste of time. FOMC. Okay, so first FOMC trade on stream, lost 37 pips, but tried again, 150 pips. Let's see here. Next one, 110 pips. FOMC, 200 pips. Here was some news. Yeah, that was a pretty solid day as well. What was this news? GBP interest rates, 80 pips. Took a small loss there. FOMC secured 69 pips and then had a TP at 320 pips. What's this? CPR, fat O. GBP PMR 50 pips. Oh, that was a pretty solid year of news. 6 months. I mean, actually, this was like 9 months. Started in April, so 9 months.
Are you going to be taking the same approach on the GBP interest rates, Con?
We're not GBP interest rates.
I'm also gonna have to have a look exactly when it is.
And then yeah, so far this year we've got USD. What is the CPR? USD CPR, 62 pips. And we had Bank of Japan monetary policy, 55 pips. So yeah, the news is definitely something you don't want to miss. But the news streams will move over to the private channel for members only from the 1st of Feb. So FOMC 1st of Feb, best believe, members only. GBP interest rates, do you take the same approach? Yes. Oh, I didn't even, yeah, it wasn't NAS when it was US30. There was a US30 trade we took on stream where we secured like 700 points from the news as well. It was
I actually remember that last year.
It was the same day as the 320 pip sells on gold.
Jeez.
I actually made a mistake on my live account and I ended up flipping my live with that US30 sell. I'm not really trading US30, so. So for Feb, since it's the first month, we are having a discount. You can join the standard membership. So the standard membership normal price will be $60. So you will have access to the news live streams and everything else we're offering. But in Feb, the standard memberships will be $50. Yes, I'm from SA.
Hey, but we do have a surprise coming for that. The launching special.
I'm trying to look for these photos. Yeah, here's the... No, sorry. That's the surprise. My bad.
What's the surprise? Reese gets 6 months free membership. Dude, how did you know, bro? That was Con. Did you leak that insider information? Jeez, Reese, it's like you're in the meetings with us. And then Nasir is asking, how can you pay for the membership fees? On which portal is it?
We'll release that information on the 1st of Feb. If you guys could find it, you could actually join now. But
Yeah. Oh.
yeah, we've said 1st of Feb, so we'll stick to that.
there is going to be a chance to win a 3 months membership, so we'll speak about that as well this week. So stay tuned for that bit of information.
I think we should do that post now, Jared.
You think so?
Yeah.
You want to do it now or today?
Let's do it now, bro.
Okay. Yeah, perfect. If you're from South Africa, I hope it's possible to do bank deposits on membership payments.
Pardon me?
Boss Vinny's asking if you're from South Africa, he hopes it's possible to do bank deposits on membership payments.
What, so you can get my banking details? No.
No, he wants to, like, just directly into Patreon, do a bank deposit.
Oh, nah.
Uh,
I think it's just card, eh?
yeah. You are going to be able to use your card like you would if you're funding your broker with your bank card. Hey Mutabo, you look like you... Wait, Matteo, sorry, yo, that was sad. Apologies. Looks like you've been killing GJ, because you, if I'm not mistaken, took that GJ buy last week for 70 pips on Friday. I did very, very well done there.
How many people are we giving access, Jared? 1 or 2?
Take us off stream. And we're back. Connor, you doing it on the MM page?
I'm going to do it on my personal and Monster Money.
Okay. I'll just put it on my personal as well.
Oh, Jared, also just make sure one of the criteria is they have to follow Monster Money Trading on IG.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Jamie. Jamie. That is definitely not a good thing to do, bro.
A shorter GG. Oh,
Oh,
Jamie.
no, that's really... Jamie.
And Bound. What are you guys smoking this morning?
Oh, no, yo.
No, Wayne. They can do what they want, bro. Sometimes you have to learn the hard way. And the other thing is, maybe they come out with a profit today, taking GJ souls. And that's also just going to be a very hard lesson, because they're going to think that's going to work again tomorrow. But it most probably
You're
won't.
rewarded. You're rewarded for doing the wrong thing.
Yeah, That's the thing about doing stupid shit in trading. You can either make money and doing the wrong thing, and like Jared said, be rewarded for doing the wrong thing, and then you instill that bad habit, or you just take a fat loss.
The thing is though, let's say you do this all right now, right? You've got no clear resistance level, right? Candles are bullish, right? Price is moving upwards. You coming into a time of volume. There's only been bullish candles. So probably like 90% of the time, even if it does come down, it's going to create a support before moving up again. And it's probably going to do that 8 times out of 10. So yes, you may be in the 2 trades out of 10 that are going to work. You're going to get your 10, 15, maybe 20 pips. And then you're going to be like, oh, these guys are stupid. Who the hell would buy GJ so high? But remember, there's nothing in the Forex market that's overbought, oversold, price too high, price too low. There isn't such a thing. I mean, USD ZAR was trading at 7 Rand once upon a time. And then in COVID, it was almost trading at 20 Rand. That's crazy. Gold was trading at $100 at one point in time, and then it was trading closer to like 2,000. So how could you ever say, "Oh, GJ is too high. I can't buy GJ here"? No, man. It's crazy to think like that. So I'd definitely say rather, if you're going to be looking for sells, wait for big resistance, a change of structure, bearish momentum, not just one candle, oh, it's going down. It's a red candle, that means sell from highs. No, it's really not a good idea.
Jared,
Yes,
put a shirt on.
I have a shirt.
Okay, so you're jumping on Zoom, eh?
Oh, goodness. Okay.
Balkan, you're gonna start it for us.
Oh yeah, actually, Con,
I
do you
will
want to do
shortly.
this?
Yeah.
No, we're just a young bit busy. We're doing something quickly.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. No stress. We're just posting something.
Oh
What
yeah.
do you
Also,
guys
the winners of the giveaway will have access to the FOMC streams.
Yeah, so that's gonna be dope.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
As this 30-minute flips bullish, yeah, my guys are gonna get smacked in themselves.
This is the 2K giveaway.
Now we're doing a giveaway for the memberships.
Launching special.
Launching special.
Launching
Yeah,
special.
like a launching giveaway. Are you waiting for 10 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
So just to confirm, Wayne can't must win the giveaway now because he's won the previous one. But then he'll
Yeah.
be eligible for the next one, right?
Yeah.
No, Wayne's already got all the perks.
What
No,
we'll
I'm
do
not- I'm
is
just- Wayne's the only one that won the gift thing. That's what I'm asking because he's won
Yeah.
before. Yeah, he can't win the next one. That's obvious.
No,
But can he
yeah.
win the third one after that?
I mean, it will be
Easy.
at random, so
No, I know, but I'm saying like he will be in the random selection
yes,
again,
he will
but
be
not
in the
like
random selection.
once. Okay.
So what we'll do is we'll go through the Monster Money followers. Actually, no, we'll just go through the comments. Whoever tags their friends, and just make sure that they're following Monster Money, and we'll pick 2 winners.
Yeah.
You guys gonna pick?
We've got a couple ideas, but it's gonna be completely random. So we'll either put all the names of the people that are entered into like a wheel thing on Google and then spin it, and then the winner will get randomly selected.
Yeah, I've seen that shit. Scott, I have to say, I think you're one of the streamers that has the most giveaways, bro, when it comes to small things. Like you starting your membership giveaway, 1K giveaway, 2K. I don't know if you're gonna, but it sounds like a giveaway. So,
The
I think-
the
I
2K
think you
giveaway
give a lot
was
back, dude.
yeah, no, bro. I mean, guys are here every day. putting
I'm not
in
saying
time.
you shouldn't. I'm
Yeah.
saying you give a lot back. The community should recognize that. They shouldn't fucking be sleeping on it. So
Yeah.
you don't just make the money, you give them money too sometimes.
Oh, that's actually crazy, eh? Make you
Yo,
guys
you
money and
think
I
about
give
it
you
like
money.
that, so. Yes. Oh, dude, that's a hectic way of thinking about it, eh? Flex.
It's the truth, bro. Like, did
Yeah.
I speak anything but facts? Did I?
Nah,
Yeah,
you
no.
spoke facts, yeah.
Only speak facts, my friend. Only facts. Like sell gold, full margin. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Jeez, nigga.
I didn't finish my
Probably
sentence.
it's
I
my
can't be
turn.
My turn, pal. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy.
Okay, wait.
Right.
Also,
You
as
get
many
out,
entries as you want, eh?
Yeah, you can enter 150 times.
That's why we got to get the larks up. I agree with Wayne, bro. I don't know. All this free shit and no larks coming our way. You know, I have to start doing those streams for members only, Connor. So if we have 50 viewers, we have 50 larks because the members will do that.
Yeah, facts.
Joking. For the people that are new here, I think we're serious. I mean, those type of people, we're not. Don't worry.
I would like to joke around and take the piss sometimes.
I mean, if we didn't, how serious would this be all the time? And I mean, it is serious, but if you're serious every single day, it's going to start eating at you, not being the greatest journey. So,
But we get serious when we're actually looking, or when we
We
see a
need
setup.
to.
And
Yeah.
it's like, boom.
it's
That's,
good when we need to get serious.
Yeah.
That's the point, I think. I think if you can't get serious when you need to, you'll never get anywhere. So,
Yeah, 100%. But at the same time, if you never,
if you're joking all the time, you're never going to get serious, ever. So,
and also if you're always serious, you're never gonna be happy. I don't think.
that's what I'm saying. Like, if we were serious all the time, bro, like, how shit would it be? It would be the same thing day in, day out.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
no jokes, no laughing, no smiling, nothing. But regardless of the laughing and smiling, it's still going to be the same thing every day. We just added the jokes and the laughter and the blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, I mean, regardless of the joking and everything, you know, we're extremely focused.
I think that's why you have so many people that watch us, because we are more goofy, if you want to put it that way, than other streamers. But
Yeah.
we still get our shit done, you know. Like, you still get your shit done on the stream for the people. It's just after that, it's your stream, so you do what you want to. And that's what a lot of people, I think, see. And that's why they're here, because I understand that that's how we are. I mean, we changed, bro. This is day one till now. So, you know,
Yeah,
it is what it
exactly.
is.
Been doing the same thing since 2
April.
viewers.
When was it? April, eh?
Yeah, April. Yeah, there were some days I would be streaming and there would literally be like 1 or 2 viewers.
and it would be me and Niku. Hey, bro.
Sometimes these guys wouldn't even be on yet. There'd be 0 and I'd be doing breakdowns.
It started with Kay. Kay was always there first. Bro.
Yeah,
She
Kay
was
always
one of
there.
first supporter and like
Yeah.
first, and then she used to watch him, and then it used to become 2, you know, me and her, and then it became 3 with me, you, and her, and then just picked up. Well, to be fair, there was always like 6 or 7 in the beginning as well, Connor, like now and then.
Yeah,
And
now
that
and
was
then
when
it picked
Ian
up.
and them were around. When it picked up to 20, I think that's when Ian came in for the first time.
Yeah.
And then like around 40, 50 is when Steph came in. And
Bro,
then,
for a
from
long
there-
time there would be like 30 to 40 viewers,
Yeah.
like at any given time. That would be
you know what it was? It was-
stagnated there for a while.
It was Chad that changed your live forex trading London session thingy.
Yeah,
Then he told
nah,
you to change.
but before
Remember that?
before Chad even did that, we did hit 200 viewers the one day.
No, I know. But I feel like we have more consistent.
But yeah, it's more
viewers now.
consistent after we did some of the stuff for the algorithm.
I think you hit 211 was the highest before we did all that anyway.
Yeah.
And then I don't even think we've gotten to 211 yet again.
Mm-mm.
I
But
think
you know
we
what?
did get to 200.
We have before.
What
What am I
was
hearing?
that? I don't know what that was.
Connor, you're watching memes.
No,
No,
Fabio
no,
sent
that's
me something.
Connor.
He says, "This is how you browse move." Listen, yeah.
Shit. Oh,
Who sent you this into us?
Fabio sent me this.
And do you want to do the Zoom live call where we're on screen?
Oh shit, sorry, I forgot.
Oh.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, let me first go put on Gemering.
Okay, I'm coming back now. 2 minutes.
My fan's probably loud, mate.
Good. You back, eh?
Yeah, I'm back. Are you gonna hop on Zoom? I sent the link.
Yeah. Did you? Oh, okay. I see the link here.
If you say giveaway at 100 likes, I'll bet it'll go to 120 in 10 seconds. Nah. I won't do that.
Yeah.
You can like the stream if you like the stream.
Yeah.
And it would be much appreciated.
Yeah. I think it's launching, eh?
But I can't give away everything. Gold, you got a better confirmation for sales now. With that hourly closure below.
Con, I'm gonna jump off Discord, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. So are we live on Zoom now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey,
yes,
yo.
terrible.
Wait, I don't know how to make the view smaller.
How are you gonna put it on screen, eh?
Hey, yo, it's Jared.
Yes,
Fuck.
yes. I need to get a green screen as well.
Bro, there's a
It's
way
so
to take
sweet.
all of this side away. I don't know how to do it.
Wait, give me a second. How have you put it on screen?
Oh,
Okay,
sorry. Oh, there we go.
Give me a second. Oh wait, I'll be back in a second.
Hey, what's up, Vince?
Oh, check at them raving on me,
Jared with the porn stash.
Dude, I'm one of the dopest moustaches you ever gonna check.
I wonder if Nico hops in here, if we will see.
Hey, how's it, Vince? How goes it, brother? No, it's I like the mustache. It's definitely something I might keep for a while.
Yeah,
And are we
I
setting
can't
up for
even
the...
grow one, to be honest.
Really? Do you struggle to grow facial hair?
No, okay, I can, but it's very light.
So my facial hair, I grow
What just
the
happened?
mustache
Now
around.
should
I
everything
grow
close? What
a
are we doing
goatee,
now?
like, dude, I sneeze and I have
Hop
another
on.
goatee.
Hop on the Zoom, Nico. The link is there.
Okay,
Crazy,
cool.
it's still on the Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then the sides I grow absolutely nothing, and then I grow those like Amish sideburns, and that's it.
Amish.
So I need to be like, I don't know, I just need to focus on where I'm growing it. But if I grow it out, it looks terrible. It looks really, really bad.
Keeps the spaghetti on there for brekkies in the morning.
Yeah. It's my
No,
favorite
no,
thing.
no, no, Jojo's. This Zoom link is just for Jared and Nico to hop on the stream. Or Wayne if he wants to. It's just for the private group. The Zoom calls we were talking about for New York session will be available. You'll see the link from Jared later today.
Yeah, so I will be sending that link in the Discord and I'll add everybody saying that we're going to be going live from 2:15, 2:45, until obviously we're done with the session. There isn't an end time, just like the London streams. But I do want to ask, where are my short sellers on GJ?
I was about to ask the same thing.
Like how, what's that singer asked, where's the girls at? I want to know where my sellers at.
Yeah, even closures above 161, 675 at London Open.
161.
675.
675.
Yo,
Yeah.
runners. 500 pip runners. Who's been in the streams the longest?
That Connor Abrams guy. Yo, that guy's always here.
In terms of viewers, I mean, obviously Jared, Nico. I'm just thinking now. Got a lot of regulars. Chad and Jay Smith have been here for quite a while.
Yeah, we're still gonna host a Monster Money boxing tournament with those two, with Chad and Jay Smith.
Oh yeah. In Dubai.
Has Nico managed to get on there or not yet?
I don't see him on. We should hear him.
Shit. But one thing I will get is I'm gonna get a green screen like you got, and then also a proper camera when we start the memberships and this and that. Cool, I'll be back in a second.
Cool. Wayne, are you serious? 7 months. I mean, I'll be doing streams for the foreseeable future. This is just part of my day at this point.
Maybe his laptop's circling to get the zoom up here.
Maybe. Hey Vince, we try and help you guys on a daily basis. This is why we're here. To teach you how to do things the right way. And become your own boss.
So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a proper camera for the sessions and then a green screen like you, Con. The only difference is my back screen would be like something animated or something stupid like sharks.
Oh god. What's going on?
Nico just jumped on bits. He's playing Us Out Loud, so his laptop picked it up on YouTube.
Nico, are you watching the YouTube as well?
Because you know he's on.
You should do. You muted it, Nico.
I know I'm on, but I don't know what's echoing back. YouTube's not on. There we go. YouTube's not on, so I don't know how you're getting it back. That's okay. Can you still hear it?
Yeah.
Hectically.
Yeah.
Vinny, boss Vinny. You guys come in.
Boss Vinny.
Yo, Nico.
You guys come in.
Oh.
That's bad, eh? Check at him smiling there.
Creating havoc.
Vinny, you guys. Yeah, no, just hold on. You guys come and talk shit and say GJ sells, and then tell me no, I must watch and learn. And now you want to ask how long does it take to become profitable? Bro, just sit back and watch. Bro, this Zoom thing is kind of funky, eh?
Why?
Nico, as you think I'm right, eh? It's not echoing now.
But didn't he mute himself?
I can't make this window bigger. Oh god, I don't know.
Yeah, but I'm the size of Mount Everest there.
I think for today you guys are just gonna have to stick with that. We'll figure it out.
Yeah. Check at Chad laughing at me. What are you laughing at, Chad? Yeah.
Chad could actually
My
hop in
first-
here.
Yeah, but he won't. Yeah. No, actually, please don't come here, Chad, because all you're gonna ask is, "Oh, can I please get MetaTrader?"
Yo.
Guys, I want to trade my SMC through MetaTrader 5 on my iPhone.
No, don't do that. Chad's gonna run away. So
I
there
mean,
was a fake account of me that messaged Chad, and then he sent it to me this morning, and he was like, "I only realized this wasn't you because you don't care about me."
That's right, man. Dude,
Come on,
this
Chad.
morning at
I love you, bro.
3:30, bro.
Yeah.
I wake up and then I get a message on Instagram, right, from you.
Oh, God.
And then it was like, Connor Abrams just shared a post. Please go and look at it. So I was like, what? And then I checked you posted about your car, right? Then I was
Yeah.
like, okay. So I was like, that's so weird, bro. Why are you posting that at 3:30 in the morning? And I was like, didn't you already post it? So then you were like, yeah. So no, then I was like, didn't you already post it? So then I went and checked, right? And this page literally started everything again 7 hours ago from now. So they reposted everything you've done like an hour or two ago. And then I went and checked the tag and there's nothing. But they've copied everything, bro. They have 2,578 followers and they're following 40.
Yeah, it's crazy what they do.
Jeez. But
I
I
mean,
was a little bit confused there.
if you do your due diligence, you go look at like when they posted these things, you would realize very quickly that it's a fake account.
Yeah, I'll send it to you quickly. But I had to like think about it there.
Nico, I don't have you muted, but I can't hear you. Yeah, they also, if you check their tagged posts, that's another way you can see. So they've got no tagged posts. Fellow, we trade New York session. There will be a Zoom call this afternoon. You'll find the link on the Discord, so make sure you're on the Discord.
You know what I think we should do, Connor?
Yeah.
Is I think we should change our allowed to be tagged in posts to have to accept it.
What do you mean?
Because they tag Monster Money in their posts, right?
Yeah.
So I think we, you know, when like you tag somebody or at them, we have to accept it first.
Isn't that going to be a mission for anyone wanting to tag us?
Yeah, but it's just, yeah, these scammers are getting hectic. Ugh, yeah, okay, no, I guess we'll just leave it. But yeah. Yeah, so we trade obviously both sessions. London session is going to be a free live stream. That's never going to go away. Always is going to be on YouTube. And then the New York is going to be on Zoom. And then we'll send the Zoom link on our Discord closer to the time. Vince Cornelius is asking, guys, tell me if you work a 66, what trading plan do you recommend, especially analysis and entries?
Yo, it's tough here. I would focus on higher time frames. Maybe look at more of a swing trading approach. In terms of the way we're trading, you kind of need to be here for the session. But you could still take a lot away from what we're doing in terms of the fundamental side, the higher time frame breakdowns. And then you've also got Asian session. I know that's a push because I used to work 6 to 6 and I was waking up for Asian session and it was very tough. All I can say is there's a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. I don't have all the answers. Some things you have to figure out for yourself. What I was doing as well. Sorry, Jared. US equities move quite nicely. As you're getting home, they'll still be quite active. So NAS and US 30, you can have a look at those. So that's literally like my day used to be get home. I don't even take my, I take my boots off. I'm still wearing my overall. I sit on my chair and I'm at the chart as soon as I get home, before doing anything. So you're gonna have to be quick with it. You're gonna have to get home on your laptop or your phone, whatever, and have a look at those things. Study them for a bit in the evenings, and when you can start to figure out how they're moving, you know, you can start to execute on some positions there. But that's one way around it. I remember that's what I used to trade in the evenings after work. I found a bit more success than Asian session. Yeah, Jared, what's up?
You could also look into going down like a signal route as well.
It's very tough here.
Yeah, but it's very, very difficult. But I guess one more tip is if you are working at 66, depending on what it is, it's going to be a lot easier if you are in an office because you can quickly just check your cell phone or something. But maybe you can set like reminders or timers around session opens and then start having a look at those opens, the levels, where price is at, and then take it from there. But obviously if you're working a 66 where your hands are covered in like gloves, you know, you're underground, you're doing this, you're on the mine, it's going to be a lot tougher. It's going to be a lot tougher.
Yeah, another thing Jared just mentioned, so, you know, you can have a look at things at market open, set reminders for those times. You don't need to be at the chart the whole time. So today we've been sitting here for an hour and a half, and I knew that I would only be taking a position at 10. So there was no reason to really sit here other than the fact that I'm on the stream. You know, I'm not gonna start another stream later. Like, the starting time for stream is 8, and it's gonna stay that way. But you would not necessarily have to sit here the entire time, or sit at your chart the entire time. So if you could see that, okay, things are not really lining up, let me wait for market open, set your reminder, go and have a look. It takes you 10 minutes to do a breakdown, plan a trade, and then you're kind of just waiting for candle closures. So you can just have a look every 30 minutes or so. Just one thing in terms of risk management, I know that will be tough. Because if things move against you quite quickly, you know, maybe you won't be able to check your phone. So that's where you also want to just make sure that you're taking the highest probability trades. Don't take any half-assed, low probability positions. Obviously you are going to take losses, but if you're being a bit more selective, you keeping the higher probability trades, you'll have a better win rate and you'll be able to kind of just let those trades run.
What are your levels on gold, Con?
$19.35 and $18.93.
Yeah, we're moving back into extremely tough conditions to trade below that support. So we're not necessarily looking just to jump in because it's breaking a support. So we'll just wait to see how price plays around in that area. But if you look to the left, extremely ugly price action, no clean ranges, and just overall not conditions I'd like to trade. Yeah, there we go.
The thing is, as we're breaking back into this range, that just shows that we don't have a lot of volume right now. So I'm not too interested in gold this morning.
Yeah.
Is Nico still here?
I don't think so. I think he jumped off because he was sickling with that technical thing. I don't know what happened there.
He said I muted him, but he's not muted.
Wait, there he is. But did you allow access to unmute himself or not?
Yeah, he should be able to unmute himself. There, he's not muted.
Yeah, good.
Because it's giving me option to mute you.
Yeah, I get you.
So you're not muted. There, you can kind of hear.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you, but very soft.
I don't know what's going on. It's not picking up my mouth.
Yeah, I don't hear an echo now, at least.
Uh,
Okay, but wait. This is my laptop, so I'm gonna plug the.
Another game of chess.
you and I.
Nico, do you want to play a game? Or are you sorting your stuff out?
I think Tarek wants to play you.
He just said he wants to see another game. Tarek, you can play me if you want.
Okay, I'm down.
Whoever sends me an invite first.
Is he rushing to openchess.com? Handing out more hidings there. Hello.
Pre-trash. No.
Okay, you should get the invite right now.
I can't believe I actually got a queen in this last game. I probably would have
Yeah.
gone on to win.
Nah, you wouldn't have. You didn't have enough time. Okay, I sent you an invite there. My name on chess.com is Triple F Trader. You get the invite.
Not yet.
It should pop up.
Should
now.
pop up any moment.
Or should I cancel and send another one? Let me do
Should
that.
come up.
Okay, friend.
Connor?
Yeah?
Connor. Can you
What
hear
up?
me?
Yeah?
Very softly.
Soft.
Yeah, it is very soft.
extremely softly.
It's not that loud, not that. The thing is, like, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I don't know how to make this thing louder. There's another setting, but it's not making it loud.
It's a little bit better now.
Yeah, a tiny bit.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, Tariq. I'll accept you as soon as I'm done with this. As soon as I'm done handing out hidings, then I'll accept you.
Yeah.
Or you two just keeping quiet because you're focusing.
Yeah.
Fuck it, don't make me think my shit's buggy now. So.
Yeah, Vince, I can't necessarily tell you what's a good time to go to bed with that, but I would say if you can just check when Asian has volume. I can't speak out of experience. I haven't really traded Asian as I can't tell you. So you're just gonna have to check for yourself when it has volume and then take it from there. You know, maybe stay up a couple of nights, see when it's moving. Maybe even find an Asian streamer, and then that could help you to some extent.
Asian session volume comes in at around 2-ish. So it's a really bad time for us. But it is something you could check out, and you could find an Asian streamer like Jared said.
Yeah. Not an Asian streamer, but an Asian session streamer. Just to clarify.
Can you not hear me again? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Sorry, bro.
Jesus fucking Christ. Fuck both of you, honestly.
Connor and I are in the battle for our lives here, bro. It's currently
Fuck
3-2.
if you're a fucking- You can have to eat from the floor. You can answer me. That's it. Any teeth to speak, you come.
Mr. Niku.
Struggling my murok and you always keep quiet for like 20 seconds and I'm trying to figure this shit out. You know?
Yeah, we're not helping at all.
Sorry, bro. Donvo's friend Wixnan also streams
Wixnan.
Asian session.
Yeah. Oh, Connor, we bad people.
He does stream, Reese, he does stream Asian, it's just you have to pay to see that live stream.
Isn't it Wix9 does it for free?
Wix does it for free, but Don also streams Asian, bro. So like,
Oh, he does.
Oh,
Wix
is
is
it?
with
Oh, I didn't know
like,
that.
he streams like everything, I think, almost. But it's just, it's for
Wix.
members, bro.
Yeah, I
It's
didn't
in
know
their
that.
private group. Sometimes he goes live for a bit and stuff. Haven't you seen that? You've like every now and then you'll see if they have really good like sets, like an Asian, for example. He'll post that video onto the stream, like onto his YouTube. I mean, he'll leave the video there, but it's like 6 hours ago, so it doesn't matter.
I haven't checked that, to be honest with you.
That's what he says once he trades New York, London, and Asian every day. I
Sure.
don't fucking know how, but he does. So,
No,
No,
that's
dude,
mad.
that's rough, yeah.
I mean, that's what he said on his stream recently. So
Yeah,
I'm fine.
that's very mad.
I understand the commitment, but fuck, I've had too much inconsistency with
To trade all those
New
sessions.
York. With New York, I wouldn't want to go to New York and London. And in Asian, I've had some success, and I wouldn't say it's continuous inconsistency on Asian, but it's 50-50. 50-50 is not in good numbers, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I get you.
I just don't like the market opening and then you have to kind of choose the direction. It's like a little bit of a guess as well.
Yeah, I get you.
You fucking don't even know what I'm saying. What are you playing chess?
No, I'm listening. I'm getting what you're saying.
I couldn't trade 3 sessions in a day. Definitely not. You need to understand that we are human. You know, these guys do think they can trade 3 sessions a day. Or I don't think they're being completely honest with themselves.
The thing is, if I sleep, I like to sleep 8 hours. I don't want to wake up in 2 hours, do 2 hours of work, go back to bed for 2 hours, then middle of the day take a nap. Like, that's really not for me.
Yeah.
Bro, it doesn't seem healthy if I'm honest with you. And no, okay, let me just keep my pick.
Yeah, I don't think it's healthy, not at all.
No, I was just gonna say it shows who's healthy, who's not healthy, but I don't wanna.
The other thing is, Nico, you sent me something about it. Sleep is very important for trading. You know, you need to be.
Sleep is important for anything, bro.
Yeah.
I saw a thing that said if government could tax sleep, they would. That's how important tax is to people. That's how important sleep is to people. So I mean, fuck. They said sleep is like the biggest, like everything, supplement, fucking health-wise, everything, bro. If you get proper sleep in for a set amount of time, you'll be sorted. And if you let's say you get 8 hours sleep in, then cool, you're good for the day. You get 6 hours sleep in, then it's like an hour off your day where you're not going to be functioning nice. 4 hours sleep, then it's like 2 or 3 hours you're not functioning nice 3 hours a day. And it doesn't come as in a consistent 1 hour. It just come in waves. Those 10 minutes you're sitting doing nothing, so you zone out because you're tired. You know? So for that 10 minutes, there's 10 minutes wasted where you don't even know what you actually did because you're tired. Small thing, but yeah. But Jesus, things I've seen about sleep, it makes me think I need to sleep more.
You must go watch that podcast with Rogan had a sleep doctor on, and that was super, super interesting.
What's his name? Is it Andrew?
No, it's Dr. Let me check. I think it was like I don't know something. Sleep doctor. Dr. Matthew Walker. Dr. Matthew Walker spoke about it.
Andrew Huberman, that's who I'm thinking of.
Uh,
Yeah, that's who I was thinking of. Jared.
Jared.
What the hell, dude?
What?
That was a good move.
Thank you. Stockfish. Brought to you by the stock of the fish.
Must be.
Has to be. No other way.
Fucking hell, Jared.
What?
Bro,
You can't say that after every move, dude.
this guy is
Hey.
fucking brilliant. I don't know what to do anymore. Nah.
Dude, imagine if I started when I was a kid, eh?
Well, Wayne, I get like, maybe like 6 hours max. Like that's max 6 hours. I don't know. I just don't sleep, bro. It's not because something wakes me or whatever. I just don't sleep. Yeah, I would say the longest night sleep I get now, or last like few months, it's only been 6 hours. But I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna force myself to sleep more. Reese is ahead of everyone in the game.
What?
He started his tags and RG. What we like to see, Reese. Oh.
Come on. Come on. Rook C4.
Rock to C1. Oh, dude. I love that guy, dude. Levy's everything, eh?
Yeah, he's brilliant.
Dude. Okay, now it's time to checkmate you, eh?
Ah, shit.
Yo, that was a deep comeback. Well done, Quan. You had me, eh?
Come on.
I think you're gonna checkmate me now.
Yeah, this is hard.
Yeah.
I hope I don't stuff up. One move.
Oh, for fuck's sakes.
Connor.
Nice.
What's
Yeah,
up?
well done, Con.
No, nice game, Jared.
No.
I was sweating for a bit there.
Bro, I got 2 missed wins, bro. I'm thinking about buying this stupid chess app so I can go in and see
Yeah,
what's,
I mean,
what's
if you go and do the
best, right?
lessons, you're gonna learn a lot there.
Yeah.
Nico?
Listen to this part in this book, Connor.
Yeah,
To the end, though. Just listen to what they call their troops at the end.
okay.
It says whether you get opponents to follow you or you get them to take something, be sure you have crack troops ready for them both. So crack people have been coming back since 2000 before grass, bro.
Crack.
People have been cracked, bro. Like he's calling his troops cracked, like they
Yes,
cracked,
yes.
like they good.
Is he like
Yeah,
my friend Justin at Fortnite?
Oh please, yes. What are you talking about now? Are you talking about Justin's brother?
No, that's, you know that meme? This is my friend
Another
Justin. He's taken, he's cracked at Fortnite, my guy.
Fuck him, bro. I have the best player on console in Fortnite.
I clearly don't play a lot of games because I didn't even realize what you're talking about when you said cracked. I thought like, well, like cracked out, like they're
No.
like smoking something. I didn't realize that
no,
was a
but, like,
gaming term.
It is a gaming term, but it's not just a gaming term. Like if you say someone's cracked at something, it just means they're good at something, you know. But it goes more in games because like you're either saying someone's a noob or someone's really cracked at the game. So it's like more gaming term because you use it more, but it's not what I was basing it off. But, yeah.
Monster Money memberships are cracked.
Always
Fortnite,
cracked.
my
Been
guy.
cracked since day one.
Con, can you
Oh wait,
see
are you serious?
the-
You haven't made Justin that's good, Jared.
No,
Yeah.
no. It's literally just
did you mean?
that meme that I told you about.
Where?
No, I'm saying
Sure.
no. There's just a meme that was like, dude, super viral. That was about this kid, and then he's just says, it's my friend Justin. He's taken. He's cracked at Fortnite.
No, I've never seen it.
Oh goodness, dude, I don't know how. Clearly, we spend our times doing different things. No, I'm kidding. Tarek, would you like to play a game of chess? I'll verse you quickly. I just accepted your friend request. I think he's currently playing. Okay, no stress, bro.
You, London Open.
She's coming.
Looking good.
London Open's coming round the mountain when she comes.
Jared?
She's coming
No.
round the
No,
mountain
you
when she
sing,
comes.
bro. Now he's got something else. Come, let's go, geez, yo, let's go. Bro, be fucking coming around the mountain. Yeah.
Fuck's sakes.
Oh, dude. You guys just don't appreciate my musical abilities there. Jeez, Nico, I'm a full-time Monster Money trader now, eh?
Alright.
Yeah, yesterday was my last gig.
He's retired from DJing.
Too busy.
Yeah. Committing myself fuel, man.
At least you can retire if you take some time.
Yeah.
You put that time in somewhere else.
It's a little bit tough in this range. I would like to see us break above 161, 675. You see, if we didn't have this rejection area to the left, we could just be doing the whole bar stop on the break of highs here. But that's going to be quite risky with this level here to the left if we haven't broken above there.
Yes.
5 minutes to London Open. Thought it would never come.
Thought it would never come, eh? Since GJ is moving immediately up there. Well, it's moving up.
Yeah, if we could close. Stop's also quite big here. Should be alright. If we could just close above 161, 675. Bars at open look pretty good. I will still be waiting for a little bit of a bottom wick and then bar stops on the break of the high.
For some reason, this part of this book was goes hand in hand with what you said. I'll talk it to you on
What book are you reading?
Art of War, but just this piece I read now.
You know what? We even have off the 15-minute, we have a break and retest of this previous high right here. So if we could maybe just get a bottom wick on the new candle, break of this previous 15-minute high, gives us like 12 pips to go break even. I'll be back before London Open, chat.
Cool. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
Shut the fuck up, Sherry.
Oh, dude, I don't know why you hate that so much, dude. I think that's honestly a classic.
Oh my god, and then I look up and see the whole thing in the chat. Yes.
Why do you think I sent it?
Oh my god, I just heard you singing.
Oh.
Chad, put him in timeout, please.
Oh. Spam report. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully those messages goes away by the time Connor gets back.
Did Jared really just do that?
I was hacked.
He started singing and then I look up and I see all that cut to us.
And everybody
Listen,
now.
I want to be higher than a mod or something. If you leave Jared, you don't make him higher than a mod. Just make me higher than a mod if possible. Put Jared in timeout and Chad in timeout.
You could put them in timeout, I'm sure.
No, not when you're a mod. You can't put another mod in time.
Serious.
No.
Yeah. No, but listen, I saw on Don's stream that Wix had a different type of he had a green name to him, not a blue one. What was that about?
You can buy those, I think.
No.
There's like a super chat option, or you could buy tiers or something along those lines. I think, if I'm not mistaken. Should I donate the 70 Rand again to buy this tier? And then I get my name in orange. Eh?
Yeah, I'll do it.
No. I wanna show that I'm still one of you guys, you know?
I'll have a look at Streamlabs. I don't know.
Nah, really.
I actually don't know where you would do it. I've never seen anything about that.
I just saw it in Don's chat that there's a green name on it. That's it.
Okay, London Open should be in about 30 seconds. Eh? And she's looking good.
little bit tough. We're still below this resistance to the left. You'll see this is also a pretty strong 4-hour resistance. So I really want to just wait for a closure above there.
And then Reese, at least you see your gold sales played out. So that's, you didn't take the trade. It's a good info trade to just know what you were looking for was obviously accurate. So.
Okay, yeah, I mean, setup looks good. Just that resistance to the left is bothering me. If we break these highs, we could see some volume, but no trades for me just yet. I'll wait for a closure above 161,675. That's also a
Closure or?
Yeah, closure. It's also a daily resistance here that we're tapping into, so safer to rather just wait for the closures above 161,675 rather than impulse entering. Yeah.
Quick question. If your current hour goes and matches the previous hour's bottom wick, doesn't break it, just respects it, then comes back, are we entering on those breaks or the halves to the left, the recent ones, or not? Or are you going to still wait for closure?
Still wait for a closure.
Even after the wick setup and everything?
Yeah.
So what? It's going to look like a no trade there. If GJ runs now, then it's no trade there.
Oh, we've got plenty of time. Like I could wait another hour, see this hourly candle close above. It would be nice to see the 30-minute close above.
Yeah, Reese, bro, it's good for like info trade, dude. So like, just builds confidence. Hey, Con?
Yeah?
I am off. My camera is off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh wait, Con, I got it here. I'll have a look at it now. I'm just gonna school Tarek in some chess quickly.
Okay.
There we go. Any updates on the GJ shorts? That's what I like to hear.
You can hear me again, huh?
Yeah.
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 Sheesh.
Yeah.
Nah, slow day in the office.
Yeah. Just. Oh, give me a second.
Broken above previous weekly highs here. So let's just have a look here. Even if we took these trades pre-London, we would have got maybe 20 pips or so and come back to break even. So I think this was worth the wait, because now at London Open, if we're pulling back, maybe get another retest of 161.330, we're going to see much better bars with the volume moving up to 162.300.
Connor, when do you have breakfast since you always stream till late morning?
I've already eaten breakfast. I ate breakfast at like
Don't
6.
lie. You see, chat, do you see this guy's not even eating food, bro? That's how committed he is to it. Come on, chat. Get those likes up. Yes.
I was up at 6. Actually, I was up earlier, but I ate breakfast at 6.
Oh yeah, Connor, I need to persuade you in something quickly. Are you
Oh,
listening to me?
God. Yeah.
I think you need a new driver.
No, man, I just got one.
No, you need a new one so I can buy the one you got.
Nah.
But you know you took the best option there was. Do you know that?
It was pretty nice, though.
Bro, it was literally the best option, bro. There's no other option there, dude. Not something like that you spend right now.
That
There's
other
nice
one,
clubs, but
yeah. The other one that I was looking at was decent. But you said it was
not, that
a
one
bit
was
more.
not it's not the price they said it was, bro. It's like 4 times the amount they said it was.
Dude, I thought the price I paid for that was not bad.
It wasn't, though. I don't eat in the morning. First meal at 11. Well, to be fair, that's also kind of. I also don't eat in the morning. Leave the man's barber alone.
Who's Boba?
I don't know.
Fabio, I got a. I think it's a tailor-made RM11, if I'm not mistaken. I don't really know clubs, bro. I think
Did
it's
you
a
get a tailor-made
RM11.
sim? I don't know. What is sim? What does that mean?
I'm not sure.
Did you see the new
Simulator.
tailor-made? No. It's a name for the club, for the driver.
Oh. Sim is just the model of the club.
I don't know.
I don't know, bro.
I saw the TaylorMade brought out a new club that's. I think they said it's.
Hello?
What do you have? R11?
RM, something like that. I'm gonna check now. RZ? I don't know, bro.
There's an R. That's all we do know.
R something 11. It's got a white head. I don't know.
I mean, I should know what that is now. Bro, who's this fucking mock that I've followed? That's what starts to follow me now. I've been following him. One of your fucking friends.
Listen, bro.
Mistake on, I don't like your friends, but they only follow me now. I've been fuck, well, I didn't even know I was following this guy, but I've been following him. But he has a picture of you with him, so it must be your.
Nah, it's not the RBZ. It must be the R11. I know they look very similar.
Shit. Yo, your friend has a nice fucking boat, I know.
What in the fuck are you saying, kids trader? Please shut up.
It's a huge self with UJ set, man. Just turn bullish on them.
Jeez, man, speaking about some other things there.
If asset managers turned bullish on the yen since 2021, bro, it would have been GJ would have been bearish a long time ago. Look at it.
Yeah, but okay, wait. I have a question. Seeing that we on camera. So I'm assuming all the golfers are right-handed, right? Like right-handed.
Yeah.
So check, yeah. Here's my question. No, like not you two. You two are cuck. I don't care about your opinion. I'm speaking to the people that are good in chat. Yes. So now
I'm not
Wayne
too bad,
and Fabio. Listen. Do you know what Wayne and Fabio are? Do you know what handicap they both are?
Golfers.
I know they're good.
Their handicaps.
Wait, Wayne, are you
So-
left-handed?
I'm left.
You left, Nico.
No, he's left.
I
Okay,
thought you were left as well.
How do I explain? So your front hand, that's the only way now, seeing that we have a left and a right. Your front hand, so like when you're holding the stick, the front hand, do you have like a hook like this type of thing with your thumb sitting there? So you have like a, obviously that goes around, but you have like this type of like hook for your, like underneath the club. On the front hand.
Okay, just onto trading for a second. Don't hate me because it's against your trade. It's better to be open-minded. I'm always open-minded. You just need to understand you're reading headlines from 2 years ago. We are focusing on fundamental factors in the current moment. What's actually driving price right now. So have a look at what's going on right now. Understand the rate differential between the Bank of Japan and the Bank of England. England keeping their rates up, Bank of Japan keeping their rates in the negative, causing us to be more bullish on GJ, keeping the yen weaker as a whole. Asset managers are certainly not buying the yen. Any move that you've seen up in the last few weeks has been a corrective move of a very heavy downside move. If you're looking on a weekly chart, very, very bearish. Like, just hold on. Look at this. Look at this move to the downside.
But what I'm saying is, he's new. I don't know if you can. His news is he's talking about. He probably read a headline that says it's a huge sell for GJ asset manager turned bullish on yen since 2021.
Yeah,
He
bro,
read that on a chart.
that's the thing. You can't focus on headlines, bro. Headlines are simply the media pushing a certain narrative. You need to be actually understanding what's really going on behind the scenes, what's driving price. Headlines are a load of bullshit. What you read on Forex Factory, these headlines, you know, it's good to take these things into account, but you need to understand what's going on as a whole. One headline, one asset manager, hedge fund manager, whatever, saying that he's bullish on the yen means fuck all. Look at the yen. Okay. Extremely bearish move, very strong, impulsive move to the downside on the weekly. It needs pullbacks. We've pulled back into these recent or these previous lows right here. So if you were gonna be bullish on the yen, you should have been bullish a long time ago. 2 months ago. But now we're jumping back into that bearish bias back on the yen, and we're looking for buys on GJ. As you can see here on the weekly, we are bullish. We had that retest of this key demand area at 156. Closed nice strong bullish on the weekly. We've broken previous weekly highs. We're moving back up to 170s over the next few weeks. The only reason I reacted the way I did is because we've been speaking about this like every day. And I sent a extremely in-depth fundamental breakdown of what to expect on the yen with regards to that news that we had last week. We traded that news as well, caught a very nice trade on GJ, and we've been bullish ever since and looking to continue with the buys for the foreseeable future.
Yeah, but also you have an in-depth video of fundamentals on your YouTube, don't you?
No, not really.
Isn't there something that you speak about fundamentals on your YouTube?
I do speak about, it's actually a technical analysis video, but tying it into fundamentals, understanding that technical analysis is random. It's just patterns. You can't rely simply on patterns. You need to understand what's driving the market. But he was talking about fundamentals there. I think he's just got the wrong idea or the wrong source.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna have to get going, so I'll check you.
Okay, check you.
Alright, Mr. Nico, good luck and we'll check you tomorrow, yeah?
Alright, I'll check it out.
Cool.
Maybe later I'll hop on the call with him. Connor, are we jamming tonight or not?
Not tonight, no.
Okay, shoot.
Okay,
I'll check it.
check you, cheers.
Oh.
But also with... Yeah, what happened there? Can you hear me?
Yep.
Wait, jeez. Yo, my laptop like backed out. Why are you looking to take profit at 155? What is so significant about 155?
I mean, it's a very significant level, but to get back down there is quite unrealistic right now. On the first sign of a bearish candle, you're selling. You know, maybe if we break below 157,500, you can look to move down to 155.
But I just want to know from his perspective, like why 155? Why aren't you looking at the next support to be looking to take profits? Why are you looking just there?
Swing
Also,
trade.
Justin, no, you didn't mix anything, eh? You didn't miss anything, bro. We've been waiting for confirmations. Okay, so you do swing trading. Now I'm just trying to understand, you know what I mean?
You've been holding your trades for weeks, but didn't we move into 155 last week? Oof, bro, you missed your TP by like 30 pips. And it's not going back there for the next few months. I'm going to see how the 30-minute candle closes. If there's nothing promising, I'll call it a day. Gold, you can see here, we had that small move down, but nothing significant. Yeah, nothing worth your time on gold.
Yeah, no, it's been tough on gold with that range.
Let's just paint a picture here on GJ, alright?
Okay.
So, very choppy price action here, but overall bullish. If we zoom out, we're still respecting this bullish structure. Now, we had price setting up at the beginning of the year here. We had this pullback, moving back into this demand area at 156, setting up price for the new year. And then we've been looking for buys, but we had this news come out on Thursday that the Bank of Japan would review their monetary policy. So the markets anticipated a potential change in the Bank of Japan's monetary policy, maybe a shift in interest rates, increasing interest rates, or adjusting their bond buying program. Now, on Wednesday last week, we sent out an in-depth breakdown of what to look out for, with different scenarios on what to expect. Scenario 1 was, if the Bank of Japan changes nothing, we would jump back into the bullish price on GJ. So that's what we've done. As you can see, now we have formed a double bottom here, alright? I don't look at patterns really, but the story is that we are failing to break these lows. We are failing to break lower. We're failing to break this key area at 156. So we had price setting up in the beginning of the year into this demand area. We had speculative news push us back into this area, grabbing some more orders. We had the actual Bank of Japan monetary policy statement come out saying they would change nothing. We've corrected this move to the downside. We're continuing back up. Now the reason this news about Japan's monetary policy was so big was that there's currently a difference in their interest rates. Japan has different goals and targets with their monetary policy. They're keeping a looser monetary policy. They're keeping the interest rates in the negative. They're buying bonds, right, to stimulate their economy. Now that devalues the currency. That devalues the buying power of that currency. Whereas,
Would you elaborate why they want to do that? Why they would want a devalued currency?
if you go, okay, I'm not too sure about this in depth. I don't know the facts about it, but as far as I know, Japan has a different situation when it comes to inflation. They're not battling inflation. They're trying to stimulate their economy. So they're in a different place at the moment. Whereas England, America, most of the rest of the world, most of the other major central banks are focused on fighting inflation. Whereas Japan had this inflation problem years ago. So they've been through the interest rate hike cycle, and now they need to stimulate their economy again. And now we can see the difference in the values of these currencies, that as we've seen it with the dollar last year, as they were raising rates for the dollar, it brought a lot of strength to the dollar. We saw that very strong bearish trend on gold, and if we look at DXY, looking back
I
at
also
last year.
add something there.
Yeah.
So, just to elaborate a little bit on why Japan would like to devalue their currency, is because when you get imports and exports, it's a very good thing to have a very strong currency, so that when you importing, so bringing products from overseas into your country, it's very cheap. But also remember, if your currency is too strong, it's going to lower your exports, because now every other country is going to be like, wow, I'm not going to buy from Japan because it's incredibly expensive to get the yen at the moment. So their prices are going to be extremely high for people wanting to buy from them. So there has to be a little bit of back and forth that, yes, we would like a strong currency to make imports cheaper, but we can't have too strong of a currency to make exports too expensive. So that's also a little bit about why they do it.
Hundreds, exactly, to get the economy going, to stimulate the economy, get the...
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we can see the effect the interest rate hikes had on the dollar here. Very strong dollar. And we've seen the Bank of England also raising their rates. So we can see that bullish trend here on GJ still holding. I know last year we were very choppy, but every time we come down into these key areas, we have very strong bounces off these areas. This strong move down was from interventions, currency interventions. So a very out of the ordinary move, but you can see how quickly we bounced up off of these areas. Probably a lot of orders at 150, and then we actually went on to create new highs. Then this sell-off here was obviously end of year, and then setting up for the new year, we moved back into 156. But overall, still bullish, and I would anticipate us to continue moving bullish over the next few months until something changes in the monetary policy.
Just Bound got 149% of GJ last week.
That's mad.
Sure.
I missed gold. Nothing happening on gold, bro. I'm not really interested in anything here at the moment, unless we break above 1935.
Just yeah, it looks like the 30 minutes coming to a close without much happening, right?
Yeah, no, not much going on. Could just retest these previous highs here. Found support there, but I think that's going to be the day, to be honest. 2 minutes,
Yeah.
let's just wait for this candle to close. I don't think anything magical will happen. But yeah, we had to just play it safe. Obviously, no trades on a Monday, that's perfectly fine. Not too much going on right now.
Jamil is asking, currently we're making LLs, which is lower lows. Why aren't you looking for setups towards 1900?
I've discussed this quite a bit already. To me, this is just quite an aggressive to look to get into sells in this range as we're breaking back into this range. It's, for me, it's almost desperate. I don't see a need to force something in there. I'd rather wait for safer sells below 1893,500. This area is just, it's a range, choppy price action. You can see we've got lower volume as we sit in this range. We've got FOMC coming up next week. So if we are taking trades this week, we want to be making sure that we've got clean traffic to the left and we've got clear volume. Right now, that's not the case. One thing I was discussing was this range right here. We could even see a fake out of this range. So we've broken below there. And if we break back in, could see us continue up. Looking at DXY, just to give you a better idea. DXY, extremely bearish. So like I was saying earlier on, if you are selling gold, you are basically buying the dollar. You're anticipating the dollar is going to move up. But if we look at the dollar index, we can see that's not the case. we can see we are still very bearish here. We've broken below this range that we were in last week, and we're pushing to the next key area at 101,500. So, like I've been discussing, just having that overall image of what's going on, building a story, you can avoid these lower probability trades. I'm not saying these sells can't play out, but you know, like I said, this is, to me, if I had to rate my setups, this would be like a C setup. Alright, GJ, close bearish here on the 30 minute, closing back below 161.030. Still be waiting for some sort of support to form for buyers, otherwise buyers above 161.675. Right now looks like we are seeing some pullback, so we could even come down to this support right here at 160,500.
Yeah, that'd be a nice liquidity grab to start prepping for New York buyers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even deeper pullbacks into 160 or 159,500. Setting up for the week to continue moving up. Just remember, it's very early in the week. We could still see those deeper liquidity grabs to continue up. But you can see why we avoided taking these buys here. Looks like we have rejected this area. But yeah, looks like we could be setting up for later in the day. Alright guys, that's going to be me. Zoom calls this afternoon for a New York session. The link will be sent to the Discord. We'll see you guys there. GJ bullish broke previous weekly highs. Yes sir. Cheers, take it easy.
Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.